Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are very fine. Very good afternoon. It's DD Blessings International School. Today, we will start History Chapter 1, Part 2, that is When, Where, and How. So, in this chapter, we will start with our forces of changes. What were the forces responsible for the changes that categorized in modern age? They were the Renaissance, the Industrial Revolution, the American and French Revolution, and nationalism. Most of these changes began in Europe and then spread across the world. India too was directly influenced by these forces. Now we will start with the history of the Renaissance. So students, Renaissance movement was started by 14th century in Italy and lasted in 17th century. The Renaissance actually means rebirth, and the thinkers of this period sought to discover some learning ancient thing from Greeks and Romans. The Renaissance gave rise to the scientific method of inquiry, like how to learn questioning and observation method and experimentation, and it encouraged people for themselves only. Now its second force of modern age, that is industrial revolution. The industrial revolution was an economic revolution that started in Britain around 1750. Explorers like Vasco da Gama and Columbus had already discovered sea routes to the east and to America in the 15th and 16th century. This led to expansion of trade as so many factories were demanded, and domestic system was so enhanced, and with simple tools machinery system was there, factory system was there, and it was a complete industrial change at that way. Industrial revolution completely changed after this way. One of the most important result of industrial revolution was the growth of colonialism. Yes, the factories are producing goods on a very large scale in colonialism method, and though they were working on raw materials like raw cotton, iron ore, and coal, and this prompted to research of overseas for colonies as a market of the finished goods, and though they retail over there, and it was a complete source of raw material for all of them. This had created the industrial revolution, and this had impacted the force on modern age. Now we will start our third important force, that is American and French Revolution. The American and French Revolution and the ideal of liberty, equality, and fraternity, they adopted all such things. What were the? Though liberty, equality, and fraternity they adopted, and though they live millions of people across the world, they inspired so many people to rebel against domination and exploration and to fight for freedom and democracy. What this led to? This led to rise to nationalism. The revolution led to the growth of another powerful movement in 19th century, Europe nationalism. Nationalism, what is actual nationalism? Nationalism is a strong feeling of love, pride, and loyalty that people have for their country. And the nationalism is the thing in the late 19th century to fight for independence from British rule, which actually enhanced nationalism. I hope you guys understand the session. Have a nice day. Take care.